Alright guys, let's see if... Yeah, I think that is working. I'm here at... Let's see. Okay, for a train. And what do we find? Laggy trains. It is a train now. Just waiting for a train to pull out. I think that one's down on the outside tracks, goes along here. Going, bypassing the city and going straight to Wassing. The slowest race of the whole universe. Dun, 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 dun. And the one who wins is a human. Because the human just barely... No, actually no, the human walks way past. And... I'm saying stop. Whoa! Okay, that came out of nowhere. That went through that train. Hey! This is actually a good train, actually, because this is a fast train. Let's go and get on. Oh, we're moving. Goodbye, train. Okay, so this is a line. This is a loop line. Obviously, we're going to stop at Wassing. That's our next station. Obviously, right now we're not actually out of the city, we're in the outskirts of the city, so we're not out of the city yet. The outskirts of the city is actually either Sneaky or Superton. I think it's one of them. But the city in Ossing are all in this city. All in the main area, industrial estate. Here we are, at Wassing. Here this train goes. Here the next train arrives, so you have very little short distances. But this is a laggy train. The train that barely moves. No, this might be a different train. I don't know. I can't say actually. Don't know, but I'm not going to take it just in case. Let's have a look. It's definitely a lagging train. Let's go to Neepy. Here we are at Neepy. You can see the train that's arrived at the platform. Here we go, the train's arrived at the platform, we're going to board this train. Maybe next carriage actually. Yep, here we go. Just no way this... No way, you caught me in the middle of my video and how the hell did you know? How did you know? Are you some magician? Here we go though. You're smart. You are definitely smart. But we're just taking the train right now, and... Are you going to sit at the station? I think we might. No, we're not. No. Is that on there? Yeah, but the next station will be City. But if we go back here, you can see this track here, this track. So yeah, this stretch of track is very little used. So yeah, this is only used either for depot for trains to come out, or for the train that goes and leaves here. But this track is very little used by any train, because actually, in fact, most of the time anyway, the train doesn't actually go on to this track for that long. It comes back off. But we're gonna go City. There goes that train to Ossing. So if you go to Ossing here, this is Ossing, and yeah, this is quite a nice station as well. Let's see where this train is departing from. Ah, this train's You'll find that you have even the steam engine here, so let's maybe like drive the steam engine here. Just drive. I can't feel it anymore. No. Goodbye. Ah. Blech. Yeah, but you see, this is where the train takes the route going across the track. But not much trains ever use that line. Even this bit, you will very rarely find any train using any of them lines. The main lines are mostly used. The other two lines aren't that used. But they are used, don't get me wrong. They are definitely used. I'm actually approaching City Bend. I think I got the Bend. Let's see if we can get this track. No, you see this bit track here. You can't use that track. It's impossible. It's physically impossible. Yeah, there goes a Flying Scotsman. Yeah, and our next station will be at Ossing. There we go. Oh, come on! The train at the station. Train at Ossing. There you go, Mr. Bradley. And here we arrive at Ossing. Here we are, Ossing, Flying Scotsman. But you can't arrive. You can't arrive at Ossing in my carriage. You're in my car. You're in my train. How's that work? What is this madness? I better go anywhere now. Goodbye. That can't frustrate me. So I like it realistic. That ain't realistic. Would you find the London Underground in a Flying Scotsman? No, you wouldn't. Would you find a Class 377 combined with a like a Class 750? No, you wouldn't. So why would you see that? That's the point. You wouldn't. Now I'm going to deport. Deport. No, just down it. Just. Didn't know that. It's a freight train. You must push. Neepy. That's the next one. Yeah, I am at Neepy. Neepy, waiting for a train. Here's a train. Actually, no, that isn't speeding. Yep, let's go in the carriage and set free. My voice is gone. That was long. But here we go, to City. I know there is a station just before, like just before City, that's not used anymore. I think it'd be this one. Yeah, look. Yeah, this station is. Soupton. No, it is used. Soupton is a station. Huh. But not used very often on main line. Let's go City. What's that? I can't help laughing now. All trains, please stop before City. There's an issue with the tracks. I'm fixing it. Oh, yeah, it's him again. We met him before. I'm fixing it, I'm fixing it all day. Same. Close. Come, stop here, please don't proceed. Proceeding can cause a lot more track damage. I am. No, for ages. Dude. Strange, this track hasn't been used for years, huh? Because this track, guys, I haven't seen a train go on this track since 2018. It's last train reported on this side of the platform was 3 years ago. The last train reported on this side of the platform was 3 years ago, which is probably fake, because I'm just making up things because I want to make a cool and interesting movie thing. I don't know if trains avoid this specific platform. I don't know. I don't know. Don't go. Do not go. Wait, don't go. Please don't proceed currently. Your train is due a checkup. There we go, hold on. Good to go. Please proceed to Ossing. Go. 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 Why are these yellow trains always going? Have you ever noticed that? Yeah, my work for this stuff, bruh. Come on, man, let's go. Look, why do you think this platform isn't used anymore? Ah. For my sake. Come on. Come on! I hate yellow trains. Except from the class 377. I like them yellow trains. I love them to pieces. Whoop. Come in here. Come in here. Train arriving. Oh, the heck. Looks like you went on the wrong platform. Wrong platform. There's no platform there. And 7-0. Train, tube, stock, train. Proceed with your trip. Oh, don't give it. I don't care. Please proceed. You're blocking the track. You don't need to stop if you go to the wrong track. This will be said through speakers to let people know the train isn't arriving. City. I'm at City, is it not obvious? I'm staying at City, I work at City. The poopy yellow train. Yeah, I'm not boarding. I work at this speed station. What's next? A flying express? Oh, I know, it's gonna be that. Before it was trains colliding into each other, so... That just got me cold. There's a train coming, I know it. It's fine. You just got here. You don't need any checkups. It's not needed until you arrive back after one whole trip. It's not needed until you arrive back after one whole trip. Now please proceed. Because you're blocking the tracks and there's important trains meant to be arriving here and you're blocking it. When you started the trip, you don't need no. Go. That is fast. You better move. That is gonna be a... That actually looks quite cool. Look, imagine that. Two trains. Move. Train coming to city. Oh god. Move. Please proceed. Yellow train. Because it's not got a code, I don't know what to call it. Move. I've got to get this train. Move. Oh god. Tube stock, please. Immediately check All power supplies. This could be bad if if the train's broke or something. I just got a message that now is blowing my bumper and I don't want to hear it. Is it good? Okay. You're fine. You're good. Good to proceed. Here we go. Here he goes. Right. Goodbye, guys.